to look up and conditionally return all matching values in a single cell as a comma-separated list, use the TEXTJOIN function. We have customer names in column A in cells A2 to A15 and the products they bought in cells B2 to B15. To retrieve a list of products purchased by a given customer, use the formula displayed on screen. The above formula goes through cells B2 to B15 and brings all the matches for the target customer in cell C2. Use relative reference for the target customer and absolute references for the customer names and products for the formula to be correctly copied to the below cells. The if statement compares each name in cells A2 to A15 against the target name in cell C2. If the logical test evaluates to true, that is, the name in C2 matches the name in column A, the formula returns a product from column B, otherwise an empty string is returned. The result of if is the following array. The array is passed to the TEXTJOIN function as the text1 argument. Set ignore empty is true to ignore empty strings. Delimiter is a comma and space. We get the list of products for Nancy separated by a comma and space. Copy the formula down to get the list of products for other customers. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.